This morning I made a video. I just posted a video where I was talking about a particular coin and how you can actually benefit in fair value gaps in crypto trading. And it was actually this particular coin that I was talking about. Okay, first of all, I talked about trading this particular coin on 5 minutes time frame. Let me show you where I talk about it. So if you take a look at it, this is our channel where I posted. You can see that was just 9 hours ago, and I talk about this particular coin. So let's see this because if you have not, if you can see that, so you can see that this particular coin at that particular time was actually at it was actually at 0.0 so you can see that it was actually at 0.058 cent. Okay, so you can see that. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, do yourself a favor to subscribe to this channel, and we have a free Telegram group. The link is down below this video. Okay, make sure you join and start getting updates. So now when you have, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Okay, so this is the video where I made 9 hours ago. So if you take a look at here right now, this is actually where the coin is actually okay, this particular coin went as high as 0.11 cents. So you can see that here. Okay, after I explained the fair value gap, and we can still actually trace this particular fair value gap I talked about by going to 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this was actually where I talked about. This was where that fair value gap I talked about yesterday. If you go back to that particular video, you see that this was exact place, because if you take a look at the price, it was around 0.058. So this was exact where that fair value gap happened. So you can see that it was an empty space here. There was a very big space here, okay, that printed that particular money. So when you see something like this, and it was a very clear and plain pure fair value gap. So how do you enter this particular market? Okay, now I have a class where I teach you step by step on how to go about it. It costs you only 30 USDT for you to do what? To join that particular class, and it also comes with a VIP daily signal VIP package. Okay, because I'm not gonna be the one to trade for you. Once you have finished learning the class, you fund your Mexi or Binance or Gate.io and start trading on your own. Okay, so you can use what you have learned in the class to start trading on your own, or you can still be getting the signal. So when you get signal, you can also analyze it and see if the market is in your own space or in your own entry point for you to enter. So you adjust and add your own strategy. That is how actually you can be consistent in making profit in this crypto space. There is a whole lot of money for you to make here. So you can see the coin have done 2x. What do I mean by 2x? If I have bought that particular coin with $100 at that 9 hours ago or 10 hours ago, by now I would have made extra $100. That is $200, double of what I invested in the market. This is how actually the market works. Now there is another way I also used to get an authentic signal. That's the reason why you need to join the VIP group. Okay, it's a one-time fee you pay for a lifetime. Okay, now Robinhood, I hope and believe you guys know what Robinhood. Robinhood is just like a broker which added itself to be like an exchange like Binance and all of that. Okay, so Robinhood, which is stated in USA, okay, which based in America, also listed this particular chip. Okay, the name of this coin is called chip. Okay, So most of the time, for Robinhood to list a coin, it means that that particular coin is gonna do much. Okay, so how do we make money? You don't just buy because it just get listed. Okay, once the coin just got listed, we also wait for this close range fair value gap for us to do what, to enter the market. So for you to know when Robinhood is listing a particular coin, if you are in my VIP group, send me a direct message. I will give you the link. Okay, it's 1,000 place where people are and they post about whatsoever Robinhood is listing. Any coin they are listing, they post it. So I will give you for free once you are in the VIP group. So now this is how actually you can use on your own to start making money from the market. A lot of people is using this particular strategy. Okay, so now I'm gonna be also adding something to this particular strategy. Then in my next class, in my next video, I'm gonna be talking about arbitrage straightly. Okay, remember in my class I teach you arbitrage, spot trading, future trading, and how you can also monetize your knowledge. Whatsoever knowledge you have, whether crypto, whether forex, whether other means of knowledge that you have, you can also monetize them on Facebook or YouTube. And if you also want me to be your social media manager, you can also send me direct message on WhatsApp. Okay, my number is below this particular video. You can send me message on WhatsApp or Telegram. If you want me to manage your YouTube channel or your Facebook channel for you to get more views, audience, and grow the channel for you, you can send me message on WhatsApp or Telegram. Now, if you take a look at this particular place, I already told you guys that there is a 3 lines here. Okay, whenever a coin get listed, you will start seeing only 2 lines, which is here. You saw that it was only 2. Then when the coin get advanced, it start having up to 3 lines. So now you must maintain and make sure that before you enter that particular coin, the coin is already in 3. Okay, the line is already 3, and you can only trade this particular strategy once there is a breakout. Okay, what do I mean by a breakout? Now you can see there is this particular place is a breakout. Okay, the coin have moved, the candlesticks have moved out of the range of this particular line. That is when you can actually trade. Just like this, if I see something like this, a 2 body like this, I will not teach that particular one for today. Okay, but if I see this 2 body like this, what I'm gonna be doing is to short the coin, and I'm gonna make a whole lot of money. But I will not teach this particular strategy today. Okay, so tomorrow is our class where we'll gather together by 10 p.m. To teach about crypto arbitrage spot. Okay, so you can join us by 10 p.m. tomorrow and learn a very mind-blowing strategy that we have been using to engage the market. But before you do that, you might have make sure you have joined the VIP so you can access this. So thank you. Peace out.